Shot on down the road, just about like a mile away. Getting delivered here in Lansing, Michigan. Checked in, everything went well there. I'm gonna get the doors opened up and probably tandem slid where I sit, because on the paperwork it even tells me what dock to put it in. All right, I'm empty. Very quick once you started, but I backed into the dock that the paperwork said, and then I go in and I'm sitting around. Apparently you have to hit some call button. It's like hanging on a couple modules, like almost like a walkie-talkie. And I'm like, okay, no one explained this to me, and I didn't have to do this last time, so. Anyway, then the guy finally comes, he's like, get in right here, which is like 6 docks away. So I go out, and then they still had me locked in. So I had to go back in and say, hey, can you unlock me from the other dock? Because some other people, I guess, locked me in to check or something like that. And then he couldn't, so he had to come back out. And it was just a whole process, just one of those mornings. Anyway, I got to get headed out, about an hour away. I think it's Grand Rapids, maybe, something like that. Or whatever. But yeah, from there I'm headed down to Henderson. If I can get loaded fast enough, it might unload me today, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, not too bad. They threw my broom whenever I got loaded. I don't know if it was on purpose or maybe it had fallen out, but they kind of threw it back here. Maybe they didn't want it in front of the product. But I'll just leave that there for now. Just because I'm trying to get there ASAP. It's a recycling place. Getting some baled cans, aluminum cans. So hopefully it's clean, because I don't want to have to sit there and try to strong arm them into giving me money for a washout. So yeah, wish me best of luck on that. Sweet, he said door number 3 right away. I feel a little bad, but it's kind of finally a stroke of luck in my favor. I was pulling in, and I guess another truck made a wrong turn and had to turn around. And so I kind of like almost cut him off. But anyway, I'm gonna get my GoPro set up to do the backup. It's gonna be a little tight here. All right, on the dock. Huh. Not too bad. All right, let's get the doors shut, get our paperwork, and head on to Henderson. Maybe they can take us early. We'll see. Checked in and everything so far looks good. She told me which dock to get into. It's different than the regular ones. There's one over here. Okay, yeah, there's only one, so it's hard to mess this up. Still gonna throw the old GoPro on. And I gotta get the doors open and all that. If you ever come to a place that processes metal, gotta watch out. All this stuff, not good for your tires. I mean, some of that's not bad, I guess. Like, this stuff's not bad. But this, if it gets all crooked, just push right in. I've seen lesser things get jammed in tires, so that's why I say that. Oh, man. She didn't say anything about the seal. All right, let me get backed in. That way, if they need to see the seal, they can. Dang it, forgot to ask about that. I don't see anyone coming. Look at me being all impatient. Where you at? Yep, that metal seal. That's why I keep those side cuts in my door right here. I'll show you. Right there. I keep these right here just to snip seals. I snip almost every kind. One time I feel like I like almost dislocated my pinky one time trying to take off a seal because it was a little stronger. Like, some of them they look like they'd be easy to pull off, but you get them in the right point and they're strong. So I'm gonna go see if I can find someone, I guess. All right, getting unloaded. Do have a load for tomorrow. 3-stop in Indianapolis area. Frankfurt, Franklin, and then like Plainfield or something like that. Frankfurt's kind of up north more towards Lafayette. And then Franklin's over on I-65 South just a little bit. And then, of course, you probably know where Plainfield is, where the airport is. So, yeah, just be knocking that out. And this will be a good week overall. Hopefully nothing bad happens with the truck. And hopefully I can get my MPG up a little bit for tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to probably sit here and edit some videos. I asked the lady unloading me if she'd be nice to my trailer. We'll see if she is. It's floor-loaded, baled aluminum. So sometimes they dig their forks into the ground. Ugh, grinds my gears, but what can you do, right? Anyway, see you on the time lapse headed back. They also gave me this cool stop sign thing. So, empty, 5 o'clock. Cool. I wasn't supposed to be empty until tomorrow at 8 a.m. or something, but I'm like, pretty sure they received till 6:30. So yesterday I left early enough to get my reset in to leave today from Lansing to get to Kalamazoo, get loaded, and get down here before 6 to get empty. And it worked. Sweet. So now all I've got to do is the power only round trip tomorrow. That should be pretty cake. It's only like 430 miles, something like that. Not too bad. And then that'll be the week. I'm a little tired of trucking today, honestly. I kind of wish I was done right now. I don't know why I asked to do that load. That's the way it goes. I can't sit still. I wish I could. I really wish I could. If there was a master class on sitting still, I would need to attend that. But anyway, we're here where we're at. Everyone else works 5 days a week. I mean, not everyone else works like 10 to 14 hours a day for 5 days a week. But truckers do, so I guess that's what I'm doing. My kid won't know who I am, but at least we'll have money, right? No, okay. All right, I'm gonna get the door shut.